Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos on Xreal Beam Pro. To hide a photo, go to Gallery app, then choose a photo you want to hide. For example, this one, and then click on these three dots and click on Move to Locked Album, continue, move, and now, after a short while, click on Library, Locked, then enter your device screen lock. You can turn on Backup in Locked folder, and here is the locked photo. It doesn't show up in the photos anymore. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.